Put down the remote, 'cause this song, what I wrote, is a welcome you should not miss. Put down the remote. Every note from this throat is like a not-to-be TiVo'd kiss. Don't touch that dial. Yes, it's been quite a while since the dial was in style, but you know what I mean. Don't jump online, 'cause this fine mug of mine needs a huge high-def screen. Turn off that phone, 'cause I want you alone for the treasures I've got to share. Don't hit that fridge, oh boy, let's abridge your sweet derriere. Don't flip that switch, aren't you curious which star's got Emmy's vote? Don't hit the loo, and whatever you do, put down the remote. The stars are all here. Tina Fey, what a year. Sarah Palin, did you know wrong? Thank God the boob tuba rhymes with Tony Shalhoub, or he wouldn't be in this song. I see such legends galore, like McLean, Barrymore. Every dame looks so luscious and cool. But like next season on Idol, I'm not seeing Paula Abdul. Straight from Mad Men, there's Joan. Oh, the curve she has shown, it would make a blind man say, damn, she could turn a gay straight. Oh, wait, never mind, there's John Hamm. And though it's true, I'm a nominee too, I'll try not to gloat. But it's a gas to be praised, and it certainly raised my quote. I know at home you've got A&E, ABC, Stars and Biography, NBC, BET, Fox and Discovery, IFC, Spike TV, C-SPAN and TNT, AMC, History, Disney and QVC, CBS, PBS, TBS, and I guess CNN, TVN, Showtime and Oxygen. Whatever floats your boat, can't you watch it later? Yeah, you potatoes at home, don't let your fingertips roam. Tonight, Lady Emmy is hitting the town, so put down